Hey everyone, it's Mike Chen. Today we are making dim sum rice rolls or chungfin, and these things are so versatile. You can add all sorts of fillings like shrimp, beef, or just enjoy them all natural. And the best part, they're so quick to make. So here's what you'll need for the rice noodles. Some rice flour, tapioca starch, wheat starch, a little bit of salt, and oil. And of course, whatever ingredients you want to rise to the occasion and stuff into these rolls. And to cook these rice rolls, you'll need a steamer or pretty much any contraption you can MacGyver into a makeshift steamer. Now let's mix it up. Measure out 1 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 2 tablespoons of wheat starch, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of warm water and stir it all together until it's nice and smooth. And before we steam ahead with these noodles, let's sauce it up. And you can be as creative as you want with the sauce, but traditionally these rice noodles are paired with a sweet soy sauce. So let's take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and just salt to taste. Alright, now let's rock and roll. Turn the heat on high, get the water in your steamer boiling. Grab a plate or a cake pan, really anything with a flat surface that fits into your steamer, and brush or spray some oil on it. Then scoop enough of the liquid mixture into the pan to just barely cover the surface. And remember, before you do this, keep stirring the mixture because the flour and starch like to sink to the bottom really quick. Now, steam it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you see bubbles start popping up. Once they do, take it off the heat, and with a rubber spatula, gently roll the rice noodles like you're tucking in a burrito. If you're not adding anything else, congratulations, you just made yourself a rice noodle. Just add some sauce over the noodles and enjoy. Now, if you want to add some other ingredients, scallions are always a good choice. I like Chinese sausages too. Eggs and shrimp are always very popular ingredients. If you want to add an egg, all you gotta do is crack an egg, beat it like it owes you money, and add it to the noodle before it goes into the steamer for some really eggy rice noodles. For the shrimp, steam the shrimp separately for about 2 minutes and then gently fold them into your rice roll. I just used some tiny shrimp I found in the back of my freezer, but if you can find the giant plump ones, those work the best. After that, pour on the sauce and voila! A super quick, simple dish that will earn you praise and dim sum. As always, all the ingredients are listed down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Until we cook again, see you later.